Welcome to Kid Family House. Hi guys. Today we're making lava lamp instrument. I will tell you what we need to make lava lamp. We need Alka-Seltzer tablets. We need some water. We need glasses. We need oil, tunnels and food colors. Let's start the experiment. We need to pour water in these glasses. Let's pour water. I filled 1/4 glass of water. Add food colors in the glasses. I am choosing blue now. Yeah. Now I'm adding blue. Finished. Now I'm adding green color. Finished. Now I'm adding purple. Finished. Now mix it. Now mix it. Now pour oil in the glasses. Look at here. What is down? Oil is up. They are not mixing. Oil is not mixing with water. Now I am dropping Alka-Seltzer tablets. Let's see what happens. I made them into pieces. I'm so excited. I am so excited to drop these tablets in the water and the oil. Let's see what's going to happen now. Wow! Look at the magic. This is purple, this is green, this is blue. They're looking funny. They come in like stones. Wow! They're so cool. First special effects make room dark. Turn on the torchlight on the mobile. Put it under the glasses. Let's see the magic. Wow! Look at the magic. That's so cool. I like it. They're looking like frozen. Oh, see the I'll catch you, lava lamp. I got you. Wow, it's so cool. Oh, that's so funny. Coming like a snake.
Now I'm adding more tablets.
Wow, so cool. They're coming so much nice and cool. Wow.
Now I'm adding in the green glass.
Wow, it's so cool. This green is so nice and cool. More. I like it. They are coming like this up. Wow. Let's put it in the purple one. Wow, so cool. Wow, they're coming big lava. I like it. Wow, they're so cool. So cool. So cool. Look there. There are so many color bubbles are coming. Look at there. It is so cool. Now let's add more tablets in these. Wow, it's so cool. Wow. Wow, it's so cool. Look at the lava lamp. It is so cool. Wow.
This experiment is easy. You can do it in your home. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.